cameras were rolling for ordinary moments until something ancient appeared. Creatures believed to be extinct, animals that should not exist anymore. Today, we're counting down 15 prehistoric animals accidentally caught alive on camera. They are ranked from the least disturbing to the most shocking and unexplainable encounter of all. Some clips can be debated, others shouldn't exist at all. And the final case, it's the one that still terrifies everyone who's seen it. Number 15. A night camera suddenly activates in the middle of an open field. At first, everything looks normal, just darkness, tall grass moving with the wind. Then something crosses the frame, a figure running low to the ground, fast, controlled, perfectly balanced. It's not a wolf, it's not a deer, and it doesn't move like any animal known to live in the area. The posture is what stands out. Its body stays unnaturally low. The movement feels mechanical, almost prehistoric. Many viewers immediately pointed out the resemblance. The stance, the stride, uncomfortably similar to a velociraptor. The speed doesn't match any local species documented in the region. And just as suddenly as it appears, the figure vanishes into the darkness, leaving behind more questions than answers. Number 14. From a helicopter, a remote island comes into view. At first, it looks untouched, dense vegetation, no signs of human presence. But the silence doesn't last. The ground below appears to move. Massive silhouettes advance slowly through the trees, their size impossible to ignore. They don't move like modern animals. Their shapes feel heavy, ancient. For a brief moment, the scene resembles something out of another era. An intact Jurassic ecosystem, hidden from the world. The footage is short, unstable, but disturbing enough to raise serious questions. No official explanation was ever given, no confirmation, no denial, and the island's exact location was never disclosed. Number 13. In a dark forest, a group slowly comes into view. At first, the shapes are hard to define. Large bodies moving between the trees, then the details become clear. Massive frames, heavy steps, and 3 unmistakable horns. Triceratops walking calmly through the forest. The footage is steady, clear enough to see the silhouettes without distortion. There's no panic, no sudden movement, just animals moving as if they belong there. No one ever claimed responsibility for recording the video. No source, no explanation. And if the footage is real, it doesn't just challenge what we know, it changes everything. Number 12. A hidden lake, still water. Not a single ripple on the surface. For a moment, nothing seems out of place. Then the water begins to move. Something massive shifts beneath the surface. Slow, deliberate, alive. The movement isn't chaotic, it's controlled, as if the creature knows exactly where it's going. No part of it breaks the surface. Only the displacement reveals its size. The location of the lake was never disclosed. Those who shared the footage claimed it was done for protection. Protection of the site, or protection of whatever lives there. No species was ever identified. No official explanation followed. And the lake remains silent, hiding whatever caused the water to move that day. Number 11. Surfers ride a massive wave, focused only on staying upright. Above the surface, everything looks normal. Water, foam, motion. But beneath them, something moves. A colossal shadow glides under the wave. Long, dense, far larger than any known marine animal seen in the area. The shape is unsettling, elongated, predatory. Many viewers were struck by the resemblance, the body, the movement. Similar to a Basilosaurus, an ancient marine predator believed to be long extinct. The surfers never react. They never look down. They never realize what passes beneath them. And if even one of them had seen it, the moment would have ended very differently. Number 10. A video captures something no one was prepared to see. On a dark road, a figure stands completely still. It doesn't run, it doesn't charge, it doesn't react to the vehicle approaching. Its silhouette is unmistakable. Thin frame, extended limbs. a posture disturbingly similar to a velociraptor. There's no panic in its movement, because there is no movement at all. The creature simply stands there, motionless, almost solemn. The recording is real, the footage exists, but no explanation has ever followed. No animal was identified, no official statement was made. And the question remains, what was standing in the middle of that road? Number 9. At a lake in Austria, a group of tourists witnesses something unforgettable. The water is calm, quiet, almost perfectly still. Then the surface breaks. A massive dorsal fin slices through the water, slow and deliberate, too large to ignore, too solid to be a wave. As it moves forward, a silhouette begins to form beneath the surface. Long, powerful, unmistakably predatory. Many viewers immediately notice the resemblance, the shape, the profile, strikingly similar to a Spinosaurus, the most feared amphibious hunter of the Cretaceous period. A creature science says vanished millions of years ago. The tourists remain frozen, unsure of what they're seeing. The camera keeps recording, and for a brief moment, the past seems to rise from the water. Number 8. On an isolated farm, night cameras capture something deeply unsettling. At first, only darkness. Then, two glowing eyes appear. The figure steps forward slowly. Its breathing is heavy, deep, real. The body moves with weight, with mass, in a way that doesn't feel artificial or staged. Its silhouette immediately sparks one reaction among viewers: a dragon. Not a myth, not a symbol. Something physical, standing in the darkness. The camera keeps recording as the creature shifts its position, its presence filling the frame. No official explanation was ever given. Some believe it could be the result of a genetic experiment. Others suggest something created by human hands that wasn't meant to be seen and escaped before anyone could stop it. Whatever it was, it didn't belong on that farm. Number 7. In China, a scientific team presents something that immediately shocks viewers around the world. Inside a controlled environment, cameras focus on a small living creature. It's described as a baby dinosaur, alive, breathing, moving on its own. According to the footage, it is part of a confidential biotechnology project. The creature's size is small, but its features are unsettling. The proportions, the skin, the movements. Nothing about it resembles a known modern animal. The scientists offer no clear explanation on camera, no detailed context, no origin story, just images. The video spreads rapidly online, triggering intense debate. Some believe it's a breakthrough kept from the public. Others suspect an experiment that went too far. The footage never provides answers, only questions. Number 6. In Siberia, a man records the sky. At first, there's nothing unusual, just clouds, cold air, silence. Then something massive passes overhead. It's not a bird, it's not an aircraft. Wide wings cut through the air, stretching far beyond anything expected. The silhouette is brief but unmistakable. Elongated body, extended wings, disturbingly similar to a pterodactyl. Before it disappears, a deep sound fills the air. Low, heavy, almost vibrating. Moments later, it's gone. No explanation followed, only the footage and the sound that still echoes in the recording. Number 5. In a remote location, a group of researchers documents a shocking discovery. On the ground lies a massive body, complete, undisturbed. According to those filming, it appears to be a Tyrannosaurus rex. The jaw is intact, the structure unmistakable. But what truly unsettles viewers is something else. The tissue doesn't look fossilized, it looks fresh. Skin, muscle, details that suggest the creature didn't die millions of years ago. The footage spreads quickly online, raising immediate alarm. If the claim is true, this wasn't an ancient remnant uncovered by erosion. It was something alive that died recently. No official clarification was ever released, and from this point on, the sightings stop feeling accidental and start feeling dangerous. Number 4. In Romania, a group of explorers descends into an ancient well. The shaft is narrow, deep, more than 20 meters below the surface. Buried in the sediment, they uncover something massive, a colossal skull. The size alone is disturbing, nearly a meter long, far larger than any known animal found in the region. Its structure doesn't match common livestock, nor any documented wildlife. Some immediately draw comparisons to local legend, the Balor, a multi-headed dragon from Romanian folklore. The resemblance is impossible to ignore. The footage sparks an uncomfortable debate. Is this just a misidentified specimen, or evidence of something that was never meant to exist outside myth? No official identification followed, and the skull remains unexplained. Number 3. In Asia, a group of scientists presents footage that quickly spreads across the internet. Inside what appears to be a controlled facility, a researcher wearing a white lab coat holds a small living creature. It's described as a cloned prehistoric specimen. The animal moves, breathes, responds to touch. Its proportions don't match any known modern species. The head shape, the limbs, the skin texture. Many viewers believe they're looking at a young dinosaur. The video offers no technical details, no methodology, no official confirmation, just images. Some call it the first birth from the past, a moment where extinction is reversed. Others warn that if cloning something ancient is possible, it may already be happening far from public view. Number 2. A night trail camera activates deep inside a forest. The image switches to night vision, trees, silence, stillness, then movement. 2 figures emerge between the trees. They move cautiously, low to the ground, coordinated. Their bodies are slender, their posture unmistakable, their gait eerily familiar. Many viewers believe they're looking at velociraptors, not 1, but 2. The footage is brief, but disturbing enough to spark intense debate. If the images are genuine, this isn't a random sighting. It's evidence. Evidence that prehistoric creatures may never have gone fully extinct. No source was officially identified, no location was confirmed, and no explanation followed. If this recording is real, it would represent one of the most important moments in human history, because it suggests that dinosaurs didn't disappear completely. They were simply never found. Number 1. Beneath the ice of Antarctica, scientists record something deeply unsettling. At first, the frame shows nothing but frozen darkness, layers of ice, stillness. Then a shape becomes visible, a massive figure trapped beneath the surface, preserved, intact. It looks like a mammoth, not a fossil, not scattered remains. The body appears whole. What draws the most attention is the ice itself. It doesn't look ancient. It looks recently disturbed. According to the video, the creature isn't completely lifeless. There is movement, subtle, rhythmic, breathing. No official statement was ever released. No scientific report followed, just the footage, and an immediate silence afterward. And if what was filmed is real, then the past isn't buried beneath the ice. It's waiting,